My doorbell has 4 wires, red, yellow, black and green. The red broke too short to work with. Can I use one of the yellow or green in its place?
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be glad to assist you. There's no color code for doorbell wiring. You can use another color.
When I try the black and yellow or the black and green, it is not working.
You need to make the change in colors at both ends of the wire. Just changing it at one end does nothing.
I don't know where the other end would be.
Check the ceiling in the basement in the area below the chime.
We have no basement. I looked in the attic and the AC unit is right above the door where the doorbell is. Any other information you can offer?
Somewhere in the crawl space there is a transformer attached to a junction box. It may be where your panel is located. You will find the open wiring for the doorbell.
I am not sure what a transformer is or a junction box. I will have to call an electrician to do that. It will be too much for me. Thanks for your help.
All you need do is to look for the same type of wires you have been looking at. They are exposed somewhere. When found, exchange the red for one of the others. It is low voltage and there is not potential for shock. An alternative is to splice onto the short red to make it longer for attachment. Mike G.41638.13882856848.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.